Did you know the electric kettle began as a kitchen oddity in the late 19th century? It all started when the carpenter, Arthur Leslie Large, applied his knowledge of electricity to create a kettle that could heat water faster than traditional stovetops. The innovation lay in a resistance coil submerged directly in the kettle, significantly reducing boil time. Initially met with skepticism, its popularity quickly grew as households embraced this newfound convenience. By the 1950s, electric kettles became indispensable in homes across Europe and beyond. Intrigued by these hidden histories? Hit subscribe and discover more untold tales of everyday inventions